Hi everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner and lead stylist of Faye Smith Agency. We are a hair and makeup artist agency located in Canada. We have artists all over Canada. And I am here today to give you some personal hairstyling tips. So if you know anything about me, which you may not, I like to get ready quickly. And I don't like to wash my hair every single day. I'm not an everyday washer. And so for me, I have different hairstyles that I wear as the days go on between washing and my next wash. So today I'm going to show you a video on how to create a very quick and easy hairstyle that is good for day 2 or 3 old hair. So my hair is naturally poker straight, so it's very easy for day 1. I literally just blow dry it. If I feel like it, I might flat iron it, but because it's so fine, I do find that even by day 2, it's a little bit greasy. Too greasy really to wear all down. Maybe I can get away, like with what I did today, I did actually throw some curls in it and I can get away with curling it for day 2, but by the time day 3 rolls around, I really got to do something else. I am the queen of the messy bun, but I like to try to reserve that for day 4, 5 if I make it that far. So here is a nice half up, half down, really easy hairstyle that you can do on day 2 or 3 old hair. So a little bit dirty is good. I am going to side part my hair using a tail comb. And I absolutely love, yes, if you've watched any of my videos, you'll know I love this product. Design Me Puff Me Hair Powder. I cannot live without this. I'm gonna puff this in at my roots and it's just gonna give me a little bit more grit and volume. If you have dark hair, definitely be careful with this product because it can leave a gray silver residue that you do not want. So just puff it in lightly and give it a little rub at the roots to get that product worked into your hair, and you can already see it's kind of like gives you all this volume and grit to work with. Okay, so make sure that you have 1 or 2 bobby pins handy. That's all you're really gonna need. And we are going to take a vertical section like so, and I'm going to split it in 2, and I'm going to twist them 1, 2. I'm going to pick up a little bit more hair from the front here, twist it again, and pick up a little bit more hair from the front here, twist it again. And I'm essentially creating and now I'm just twisting the end. I'm essentially creating a 2-piece braid, which is much easier to do on yourself than a 3-piece braid or a French braid, but it looks like a braid and it's going to give me some really cool volume and texture. Okay, so now I'm going to take the bobby pin and I'm going to open it in my fingers. I'm popping it over the top of this little twist here and I'm pushing it into the twist to hold the twist. And even 1 bobby pin, when it's pinned like that, should hide the bobby pin, and it also, you don't always need 2. I do think that I am going to need 2. See here, I'll put 1 more in just for good measure, and I'm actually then just gonna pluck at this a little bit to give myself some really cool texture in the front of my hair that looks like a braid, but it's not. Cool. Alright, so I am gonna finish my hair off by giving it a little bit of shine so it looks freshly washed. A product I really love is the Kevin Murphy. This is Shimmer Me Blonde. There is, I think it's a Shimmer Me Brunette. Let's check that info, which is gold. But I really like that this has like a purpley shine to it. And whatever, just because it says blonde doesn't mean that you can't put a purple shine on your brown hair. And it smells really good. Just gives me a nice shine to my day 2 or 3 hair. So you do have the option of doing the other side as well if you want to, and doing the exact same thing. So for volume on both sides if you like. It's totally up to you. To me, it depends on how much of a disaster my hair is in that day. Like if I'm day 3, maybe I would pin it up because it's better for the hair to be pinned up than to look gross and greasy. But right now I've got my little waves in that I popped in today and I quite like it as the one-sided look. You can also give a little tuck on one side as well. That's also a cute way to wear your day 2 or 3 half up do. So there you have it, you guys. I am all for easy beauty tips, and I hope you like easy beauty too. This hairstyle literally does take 2-3 minutes depending on how many times you have to redo it to get it perfect. If you have comments, questions, leave them in the comment box for me here. I'm always happy to give you my professional tips and advice. And please remember to subscribe.